Choosing a new checking account can be a hassle, right? You're looking at different banks, trying to compare features, fees, and requirements, and it all starts to look the same. But what if there was a clear choice for a specific type of user? That's what we're going to dive into today, by breaking down the key differences between Patriot Bank's eChecking and their regular checking account. Let's start with the basics. The E in eChecking stands for electronic, and that's the core of this account. It's designed for people who prefer to handle all their banking digitally, think online and mobile banking. With this account, you get unlimited access to all of Patriot Bank's digital tools. The big draw here is that there's no minimum balance requirement to avoid a monthly fee, as long as you keep your check writing to a minimum. It's all about going paperless. Now, let's look at the regular checking account. This is your more traditional, full-service option. It also comes with online and mobile banking, so you're not missing out on the digital side. However, the key difference is the monthly maintenance fee. To avoid that fee, you'll need to maintain a certain minimum average daily balance or have a direct deposit coming into the account. Unlike the eChecking account, this one is designed for people who still use checks more frequently and prefer a more traditional banking experience with the option for digital tools. So, who is each account for? If you're someone who lives on your phone, pays all your bills online, and only uses your debit card, the eChecking account is probably a better fit for you. It simplifies banking and avoids fees by embracing a paperless, digital-first approach. But if you're someone who writes a lot of checks, values a full-service experience with a physical presence, and can meet the minimum balance or direct deposit requirement, the regular checking account gives you more flexibility and traditional features. Ultimately, both accounts provide you with a Patriot Bank debit card and access to their digital tools. The main decision comes down to your banking habits. Do you prefer a digital-first, low-fee experience, or a traditional account with more features and physical options? Knowing the answer to that question will help you choose the right account for your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.